Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a profile picture to your Facebook account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option, and click on the profile icon section to this camera button and tap on select profile picture. Tap on the button more in the right side of the screen in the camera roll section. Click on see all photos. Tap on settings. Now you will be directed to your phone settings where you need to allow Facebook to access your photos. So click on this third option and click on all photos or selected photos. Go back to the application, repeat the steps, and here you will be able to see the pictures from your gallery. So click on the relevant one that you would like to add as your profile picture. Here you can say something about your profile picture, and you can also edit it, as you can see. Add stickers and add the text box to it, and you can also draw. Tap on the button done in the upper right corner of the screen and click on next, and then tap on the button save in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby setting your profile picture. As you can see, it is done. So feel free to change it anytime by tapping on this camera icon and then tap on select profile picture, and then you will be able to change it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.